Hey everyone! Tired of wearing headphones just to record your voice? I got you covered. Have you ever wondered how to ditch the headphones and still get studio quality audio from your mobile? In this video, I'll show you how to effortlessly record and edit clear audio from your mobile in just 5 minutes. No complicated tech stuff. Just find a quiet spot, tweak a few settings, and voila! Professional quality sound, perfect for vlogs, podcasts, or voiceovers. Check it out, hit like and subscribe for more quick tips. Let's make your mobile audio game strong. With a few simple steps, you can record audio that is as clear and crisp as a winter morning. Whether you're recording a podcast, a song, or a voice memo, these tips will help you achieve studio quality sound on your mobile device, recording clear audio. First, find a quiet environment where you can focus on your recording without any distractions, because background noise and poor lighting can affect the quality and clarity of your recording. You can also use a noise cancellation app like Adobe Podcast Enhance to reduce unwanted sounds. To capture your voice with greater clarity and detail, it is recommended to use a good microphone. If you don't have an external microphone, try to get as close to your phone's built-in microphone as possible. If you keep your mouth a little bit left or right from your microphone, then it will help you capture your voice with greater clarity and detail. The closer you are to the microphone, the less background noise will be picked up by the microphone. This will result in a clearer and more detailed recording. You can use various apps to record audio on your phone, such as Voice Recorder, Smart Recorder, Google Recorder, etc. They are available on both Android and iOS. These apps allow you to record, edit, and share your audio files. You can also use web tools like Adobe Podcast Enhance to improve the quality of your audio. Editing clear audio is the refining act that transforms raw recordings into polished masterpieces. Armed with the right tools and techniques, you can elevate your audio to professional standards. Choose the right editing app is must. Opt for a user-friendly yet powerful audio editing app like Audacity and Dolby available on both Android and iOS platforms. There you find an option. File open the chosen app and import your recorded audio file seamlessly. Noise reduction and equalization are the app's noise reduction tools to eliminate unwanted background interference. Utilize equalization to balance frequencies for a richer, more vibrant sound. You can normalize or manually adjust volume levels to ensure a consistent audio experience throughout. Using cutting tools to trim any excess or undesirable segments helps in refining your audio for precision. You can use a free app like Lexis Audio Editor, which allows you to cut, copy, paste, trim, fade, normalize, reduce noise, and apply effects to your audio files. Applying effects can enhance your audio with optional effects such as compression or reverb, adding a layer of depth to the overall composition. Now time to export in preferred format. Save or export your edited audio in a format compatible with your intended use, such as MP3 or WAV. Try out different types of recording rooms to get interesting sound. For more advanced functionality, consider utilizing a smartphone app like HiQ MP3, Voice Recorder, Android, or Ferrite Recording Studio, iOS. Record background noise to create vivid surroundings. Accept stereo recording to produce audio that seems three-dimensional. Use intelligent technology to your advantage by using apps like Crisp to block out background noise while recording. By layering sounds in post-production, you can enhance your creativity and create a harmonic that breaks beyond standard limitations. And guys, thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, and never miss any future updates.